up out of the way, dude. Because I'll plant that shit in there and shit, and you'll wake right up.
You've been wanting my ass for a long time. You know you a long time, you know that shit. Take it down. Hey boy, what for you? I don't need for you. You should fucking ready for trash.
Dude, I'm drinking a fucking soda and you fucking pussy bitch.
Whatever it takes, dude.
Who's got smokes? You out of smokes?
I do. Yeah, I got some. Got 2 packs.
Get that fucking bed out of my way so we can go down and get some smokes, you motherfucker. You got 2 packs. I don't listen to rap, dude. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Hit that bitch.
Dude, this shit is so funky.
Get the fuck up, you fucking pussy.
Where'd you want to go?
I'll dump that fucking whole pail of water on you, dude. Let me go get some more ice.
Wait, don't.
You're blocking the fucking whole thing, man.
That's the fire hazard.
Move that shit back over there.
Exactly, that's the fire hazard.
You are the fire hazard. I was wondering who brought this fucking shit. Fuck you, this is my shit. Don't fuck with my cheek.
You're
You fucking going to bed early?
No, but I need to get my shit blown up.
Go to sleep when you're in Tucson. Don't fucking sleep when you're out here, goddammit.
Dude, don't fuck with me.
Who fucking put the brakes on this
I'll put this
motherfucking bitch?
motherfucker in the parking lot.
I go sleep in the pool in the fucking shallow end.
Float, too.
The shallow end.
Here, move
Here,
this shit.
just lean it on the bed, man. Let's move this fucking thing here.
Luke, shut the fuck up.
No, man. I'm not gonna.
Jesus Christ, why do I have to deal with this shit every time?
Here, take that fucking bitch up and quit complaining.
Shut up.
Here, I just had to blow it up. I had to blow it up. You were down there fucking sucking a cock.
I had to move all this shit to this side of the fucking
Oh, you're
room.
blowing up, man. Look it.
Put this shit in the... Why are my sweatpants over here in the corner?
You can't even get out the door, man. You're fucking fucking rags.
Put
Fucking bitch.
He doesn't like the fucking sweatpants I gave him, so he throws them in the corner.
I didn't even...
He's a fucking asshole.
I didn't even put those in there. I didn't put those...
Keep going.
That's a funny fucking
Push that motherfucker all the way in the corner.
You know, I just said they can't fit through in the corner.
Keep pushing, bitch. Come on, man. Goddamn. Fucking boy. All you did is complicate the situation. Get the fuck back in the bed, man.
Perfect. Look at this shit. That's funny.
There's enough room so Rob can fucking suck his own dick while he's hiding.
It's a highway.
Oh, you're moving the chair too?
I'm trying to set this shit.
What the fuck? Here, you want to pose? Want me to take a fucking picture?
Don't leave that motherfucker right there. I'll put it
Trying
in
to
the...
drink some fucking beer,
Put it in
man.
the closet.
What are you guys doing? Get the fuck up, man. We gotta go party, man. God damn. You know what? I knew it was a bad situation. Me coming along. Y'all be ready for fucking bed, and I'm ready to fucking roll, man.
I'm ready for a fucking throw-it-away knife set night.
You got knives?
I've got knives here, though. Unfortunately, what the fuck we got here? What else can we fucking abuse and use?
You can fucking throw some knives.
Throw some knives.
See, I should